It's not a party, it's not a parade, it's a war on water. Welcome to Taiwan's most intense festival, the Dragon Boat Festival, 端午节节日 Imagine this, 20 people, one boat, 龙舟 one go, win the race or get soaked. But wait, it's not just boats. You also eat these little stinky rice triangles called 粽子. They are wrapped in leaves, filled with meat or beans. And yes, people fight over grandma's recipe every year. So, would you race a dragon boat or just chill and eat 5 肉粽 in one sitting? Comment your 龙舟 or your 粽子 below and take a friend who needs to see this crazy festival.